Hello everyone, welcome to Apollo 24/7's YouTube channel. Today we are in Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad in conversation with Dr. Namita Singh, who will tell us how to live a happy and purposeful life.
Greetings to all of you. Namaskar. Let's talk about life. Most of us live it through and through, but really don't experience it. And what's the reason for that? We are living without our feelings and emotions. People, it's time to understand and hear what your life is telling you. Many of us transit different stages in our life, from childhood to a teenager, from a teenager to a young adult, and get married. It's not essential, but most of us do. Become parents, grandparents, pass away without really knowing what is the purpose. The purpose is just not related to having ultra luxurious items around us, not having a top-notch job, not really being very well adjusted and being perfect. There's nothing in this life is perfect. If it was perfect, I would be dead, because that's perfection. As a human being, we are supposed to evolve and learn and progress. In that, there will be phases of some maladjustment, some irritants, and some untoward situation or events. The ability to adapt, the ability to be okay to face the odds and still move on is life. It can only happen if we are in tune and we understand ourselves. For that, we need rhythms. Does the sun and moon rise and set as and when the celestial bodies are designed to? No, it is a time bound. Same way, in our understanding, with education, with different support system, in today's time, it is very important we start to respect the rhythms, have a bit of self-regulation. When I say self-regulation, many of us in today's time are emotionally very disruptive. We fly into rage behaviors. We become suddenly very sad. I'll use a very common example. If I'm sad, I may end up as having alcohol as my best friend. If I'm sad, I may try to divert my attention by watching a season of the whole series overnight, binge watching. I may go and spend thousands and lakhs worth of rupees on online shopping. These are called behavioral addictions. Many of us do not realize it. Yes, Indian society, Indian economy is changing for affluence. Affluence doesn't mean having just the materialistic world. There's much more to life. In case any of you or anybody you know have some issues in major adjustments, not comfortable in job settings, having tiffs all around, having low mood, excessively crying, please reach out to a mental health professional. Nowadays, I'm seeing a lot of teenagers with cutting behavior, self-harm behavior, as young as 12 years old, as young as 8 years old. And this is because somewhere the guidelines and systems are not in proper place for them. If you see people around with these kind of behavioral issues or mental health illness issues, please make sure they reach out to qualified professional. Help is available, things can be rectified. There is always the other side of a problem which has solutions and which has other ways to manage. So wishing you all good luck, health and happiness and prosperity. Take care, stay safe and enjoy life. Thank you.
As you heard from the doctor rightly, if you have any concerns regarding mental health, feel free to reach out to any Apollo expert by downloading Apollo 24/7 app now.